a week and a half into quarantine or shelter in place, whatever you want to call it, this is how we pass the time. What is shaking? It has been a while because things have been a little chaotic everywhere.
Yeah.
Especially for this one. She's had some issues with work and all of that because California, she got bit by a dog last week. It's been a little rough, but we're hanging in there. We're hoping that all of you are staying safe and are healthy, and we all have to move forward. We all have to wait this out, do our part until life returns to normal, and it will. You have to stay positive. It will eventually return to normal.
It will go. Disney Park will open on April 1st, and I will be down there on April 3rd.
She's really hoping everything opens on April 1st so we can go down to Disneyland because she's off work for right now. So,
off work.
Well, yeah, that's a whole nother story. So she's hoping that Disneyland reopens. I don't think that is going to happen anytime soon. I'm hoping Disney World opens before we go at the end of April. And that's another thing I wanted to give a quick little update on. We are still planning on going out to the Orlando area at the end of April. Now, I don't think Disney World will be open. It'd be nice if it is. But if it is not, we are going to show you, or take you along with us, as we check out Davenport, which is just southwest of Orlando. Drive around Kissimmee, drive around St. Cloud, and check out Orlando itself. Because we're going to be out there on a mission. We have a mission. We're there for about 4 days. So, I can't tell you what, but once we're out there, you will probably have an idea of what exactly we are doing. So it's all about passing the time until the parks reopen and more news can come out. Right now it's all rumors and speculation, so there isn't much to, I guess I would say, report. But Ashley has come up with a few good or great video ideas. We're gonna do our top rides for Disneyland, DCA, and all the parks over in Walt Disney World. So that'll be coming soon. Once we get the time to film it, we'll be able to go through. We'll have some ride, on-ride footage of those attractions. So I'm really excited for those videos. We're going to kind of do a couple more of these while we're out and about. Like I said, Ashley's bored and doing nothing, lately, unfortunately. So we've got a lot of these little ideas. She's gonna be doing a lot of stuff on Instagram. I don't know if by the time this video gets up, if she will have already started. We are doing a almost bracketology from an NCAA tournament, but in Disneyland versus DCA. So stay tuned to Instagram, check the stories, and be sure to vote. We're gonna pit all of Disneyland against each other, all of DCA with a couple former attractions because there isn't a lot to do over there. Pit all those so we have a Disneyland winner, a DCA winner, then those two will compete. I'm currently working on a Walt Disney World version, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, and Epcot, all fighting for the top attraction. So, like I said, stay tuned to Instagram, check those out. That's, like I said, I don't know when this video is exactly going to be up, so it might have already started, it might not have started yet. So, check it out, be sure to vote, because Ashley really wants this to go well, and I think it's a really good concept, and she came up with it all by herself. What?
Oh my goodness.
It's windy.
Well, you post videos on Friday, right?
Yeah, this will probably be up.
It will start on Friday.
Okay, you heard it. When this video comes up,
27th.
27th, when this video comes up, check Instagram. Not sure what time, but she'll be up by the time I get home from work.
I will post at 10 o'clock the rules and the bracket, and then Saturday is so that way everyone has a chance to look at it and see it. And Saturday at 10:30 is when I'll start the poll in the store.
All right, so you heard it. Friday at 10 o'clock Pacific time. she will be posting the bracket and the rules and how it's all working. Saturday at 10:30 Pacific time, she will post the first 4 matchups. The number 1 seeds versus the 16 seeds, all 4 of them. 10:30 Saturday. Be sure to join. Be sure to vote. So before we end this little randomness type vlog, which there will probably be more of as long as everything is shut down. But quick question. When do you think Disneyland and or Walt Disney World is going to reopen? Ashley is hoping that it is the first date, April 1st, so that I will take her. Because I'm the one working, and I literally have to be the one to take her.
Well, I can like do my task.
Well, yeah, but
On a credit card.
I'm still driving. Anyways,
My car.
you have her car. I believe it will not be April 1st. My best guess is June 1st, and that is being very hopeful and optimistic. Walt Disney World has already pushed back their hopeful opening date, as Orange County has put in a new shelter-in-place mandate. Yes?
Could you slow down for little man?
Oh yeah, I'm walking too fast.
Here, I'll take her up.
They just put in new mandates for shelter-in-place, so that means they've extended their hopeful opening date of April 9th. So right now, Disneyland is still hoping for April 1st. Disney World is hoping for April 9th. Neither one is going to happen. It's just not. We got to be realistic here. It's not going to happen. So be sure. It would be nice. Ashley's making her little comments back here.
No, wouldn't it be nice if this all went away on April 1st?
It would be really nice if it all went away on April 1st. But anyways, we all need to be healthy. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. We can, what do they say? They say mend the curve, flatten the curve, whatever it might be. Just be safe, be healthy. And my prayers go out to all of you that are being affected, whether that be you've gotten the COVID-19, you know somebody, all the grandmas, the grandpas, great-grandpas, job-related, whatever it might be. Our prayers go out to all of you. So once again, life will return to normal. We just need to stay positive, and we can get through this bizarre and challenging time that we are facing. So without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I was gonna say, if you go to Walt Disney World or Disneyland, don't make a mini, I say hi.
Virtual.
Yeah, I guess you gotta do it virtually. So,
Or just give your dog some love.
yeah, just hold your doggy. Or I guess if you have a pet mouse, you can call it Mickey. Anyways, guys, like I said, be safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, and we will see you all
A little later. Bye.
if you didn't hear, a little later.